Crayon.
Yo, it's about that time for me to let about that mouth to mind. Something you wanna rewind, that'll let you unwind. Enhanced by time like vintage wine. You heard it through the grapevine, that it's all on the line. For now on and never, I'ma break through the shine. Peer through the clouds, sprout through the concrete for what it's all about, or disappear into the night. Well, I doubt that the stakes are that high, not quite do or die. More like die you do, that's what I'm going through. So Jake can get live at a venue near you. That's why I quit the job way back in '02. It's the upgrade, the upgrade, the upgrade, the upgrade. We not here now merely to survive off rap. We trying to eat more healthy than that. So not to tread water but to run laps. But see my legs been cramping since the start of gun clap. Not too many in the pool survive from that. So I learned how to stretch to avoid those traps. Stroke 9,000 miles and back. I know it don't look like I swim or run track, but I'm flowing over beats like that. You understand? It's the upgrade, the upgrade, the upgrade, the upgrade, the upgrade, the upgrade. See on stage I try to ride through the athlon. I run the marathon, getting my decathlon.
Man, Furo here, UTI Crew DCB. We're here at Unit B Studios today. I invited all the graffiti artists. We're gonna take place in my upcoming Girls Gone Rap show. It's called Skin Tone on July 21st. We have all these fine graffiti artists here from different crews painting the walls today. The show's gonna be in 2 weeks. So basically we're just kind of doing a loose collaboration today. You can see, look around, there's a lot of space here. We're gonna get this thing going. Girls Gone Rap is basically a body painting company. We do live entertainment. We've been in effect for about 3 years now. We do big shows, maybe 600-700 people expected at this show. We got a gallery that's gonna happen. We're gonna have some live music. We got Koji Korean barbecue food truck, drinks. We're gonna have a whole outdoor lounge area with vendors. We have the pro skateboarders are gonna come down. They're gonna do the live demos here for us. Should be a good show, man. Stay tuned, check it out.
I'm ready to die, righteous ride too, cause I deserve to live. That's the real souls of the Urban poses, Coast Guards or something. I write where I'm at like postcards or something. Born in DC, raised in Maryland, right around the corner from the graves and heroin. I played in the playground with them strays found. I'm talking about caps now, y'all, not greyhounds. Talking about the cap now, y'all, I stay down. Recess over, Odyssey don't play now. Looking for a beat, holla at me, upgrade now. Let's J Live Plug 1, you pay now.
Yep, some say if the shoe fit, no, there's another foot that can fit it too. Don't ask, slip that foot in, walk that foot to the cash. Y'all can call me Cash Shoes, some others call me Workmatic. I'm a category 6 when at it. They're all the static in the fall. My dogs, we inhale lightning, known as the Thunderhounds. Them niggas who don't know us call us underground. Nah, niggas, we underwater. We fuck with Prince Namor and such. Got these pretty little fishes in the clutch, blowing them bubbles. Some light and blow the weed while we ball your ops to succeed. The very sound your ears feed upon was born and raised in the Odyssey project. Should break the neck to Quism. Instead he telling y'all J Live and Plug 1 be a spit mechanism. Channel flows like the whole channel water from out the hydrant through me. Who me? I be the UP. Grade, grade, grade.